Probably should have pre-drilled these while they're on the ground, but it's okay, we've committed, we're here. Oh, come on, bastard. Am I right-handed and I didn't know it? Let's try that.
Hi, I'm MontanaDanna, and in today's episode of Girl vs. Van, I finish up the insulation, put up shiplap with self-tapping screws, and overall show you how not to build your van.
Good morning and welcome to day 2 of the van build. So day 1 was great. We got the insulation in, there was a little bit of struggle. I guess we're gluing this into the wall now. How do you work this thing? But day 2 almost broke me as a human being. Today I'm finishing up the insulation. Last night I ran out of liquid nails. And there's a hardware store right down the street that I can walk to, but it's closed on Sundays. So I'm gonna improvise. I can't be driving this van all the way to Lowe's. Things be rattling, things be rolling. So I'm gonna finish up the insulation. I'm just gonna tape on the insulation instead of gluing it to the walls. Because I'm a professional. Don't get me wrong. There is a point today where I will need to go to Lowe's, but we're gonna just make do with what we have. I wanna get all the insulation done right here, right now. No joke, I think that's sturdier than the liquid nails. I mean, it's on there. It's on there to get it up. That was aggressive. The bane of my existence is getting the backing off this tape. That worked. I made a mistake. I covered up the holes. Well, okay, I guess we're gonna improvise on this one. But it did give me an idea. So when I'm putting up the siding, I'm actually gonna drill right into the van and I'm gonna remove all this hardware. So the screw's gonna go through this and through the metal. So I have to get some self-tapping screws. We're gonna try it anyway. This I might have to redo. That will do for now. All right, I need to go to Lowe's, get some liquid nails. I think I might start putting the siding up. I don't know, I'm feeling it. I also think I'm gonna finish my van build in the Lowe's parking lot just because I know I'm gonna have to go in there every 5 seconds. Got some self-tapping screws. Hopefully they're the right size. I think I'm avoiding doing the ceiling fan because cutting a hole in the van makes me a little nervous, especially because I ordered one from Australia and the measurements are in millimeters instead of inches and centimeters. We'll figure it out. It's fine, but I need liquid nails to put the insulation on the roof. I'm also gonna tape it. I'm also gonna tape it so it can dry. I also need to buy a little more Reflectix to insulate the back. That might be a project for another time. Really wanna get the siding up. I have to live in this van in 6 days. I wanna get all the siding up so I can start putting my furniture in, and then little projects like the back door I can do as I'm living in it. Cool, good talk. Good talk. Super easy to remove. And then we get to this one. Impossible to get out. Impossible. Guess that one's staying on there. Just cut. I decided to start putting up the shiplap today. It's kind of difficult to install, but not too bad. I think we got this. It's looking pretty good though. Hello, shiplap in the van. We got 2 pieces of shiplap up. We're heading to Lowe's to get some more screws. All right, so I just got back from Lowe's. I've hung up 2 pieces of shiplap and I realized I need to go back to Lowe's. See, I should have just stayed in the Lowe's parking lot and finished this. I think I'm going to do that. I ran out of self-tapping screws. I have a bunch of self-tapping screws, just not the right size. I can't believe I managed to get the shiplap up by myself though. I'm a little proud of myself. I'm in the Lowe's parking lot and I'm gonna just finish my project here today. And later I'm going to my friends Eric and Corinne's. They're letting me borrow their ladder and an extension cable, which I need to install the fan. Plus they're good friends and good company, so that'll be fun. But for now, I want to get the rest of my siding up, so here we are at Lowe's. I haven't eaten yet today. I keep forgetting to eat, so I might have to go get some food. Fun fact, Jamba Juice has steel cut oats. Delicious and nutritious. Oh wow. Okay, Project Shiplap, commence. Got the first piece of shiplap on, no problem. Second piece of shiplap, super easy. The third piece of shiplap, bane of my existence. Probably should have pre-drilled these while they're on the ground, but it's okay, we've committed, we're here. Oh, come on, bastard. This is so difficult right now. Am I right-handed and I didn't know it? Let's try that. I'm gonna buy myself a nice drill for Christmas, I decided. Why was this so easy last time? Because there's nowhere to stand. There's so much shit down there. Oh my god. I have like no leverage because there's so much shit in my way. I'm like 6 inches from the wall. Come on, baby. No. Just need to get one in. There's nowhere to put my feet. This is fun. This is neat. I like this. Why doesn't it want to go in there? I need somewhere to put my feet. I seriously don't remember any of this. I think I blocked it out of my head. Oh my god. Someone help! Please help. So I'm trying to hold the shiplap with my elbow as I'm screwing into metal with a $20 Black & Decker drill. Oh my god. I'm putting so many holes in the actual shiplap. This is ridiculous. Why did it work so easy last time? Now I know they say let the drill do the work, but Black & Decker ain't doing shit. I literally had to sprawl my body Superman style across my whole entire van and push from the other side to get that self-tapping screw through the wall panel, through the Reflectix, and into the metal. Never say die! I'm not giving up. I think my armoire will be here though, so it's okay. Totally cool. Totally cool. I don't know why this is so hard. The rest of them went in. Fuck. Oh my god. Alright. Let's try something else, shall we? I don't know how this worked earlier and how it's not now. Maybe these new screws aren't as good. Oh, there we go. Alright, I need to move the shit under my feet so I can like, you know, push with my legs instead of just my upper body. We got this. Lord, bear me strength. This is a scene. I need a garage. I need a garage and a strong, preferably handsome man. I don't need one. I want one. Currently taking applications. This is fun. We're having fun. Please be metal behind here, please. Nope. That went in far too easy. There was definitely no metal involved. Oh well, we're leaving it. We're going with it. Yeah, I forgot to pre-drill that one too. Okay, I'm not starting with that hole ever again. No. I didn't drill into metal into 2 of these. I'll give it one more try. Alright, that's about enough of this. I may or may not have left that end a little too long. If you can see, it doesn't quite go all the way flush to the wall. much easier way to do all of this, I'm going for the fastest and least expensive option. We're just using the tools we have. Thank God for my friends Eric and Corinne. They're gonna help me out a little bit later, but I have to finish this today, right now. That actually worked out perfect because I was able to saw it at kind of the angle of the van. Totally meant to do that. Totally meant to do it. Where is my drill? It's fine, we're fine. Everything's fine. I decided to add in some smaller screws for reinforcements. These won't be drilled into the metal, but at least they'll keep the shiplap to the little gray paneling here. Maybe that's what we're doing. Do not do as I do. No, thank you. This is a fiery hot mess right now. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. All right, we're good. We are good. My feet hurt. Why does that always happen right here? Maybe because I know the armoire is going here and it doesn't matter what it looks like. Drilling into metal is pretty hard, but I'm proud of little Black & Decker. She really pulled through. Did I mention I'm a professional? So all that's drilling into is this board and the Reflectix. We should be good. But you don't want screws that are long enough to drill through the side of the van. In fact, I'm gonna go double check the outside of the van. Be right back. Oh my God, I thought that fly was a screw coming out of the side. Nope, we're good. We're good. All ship shape. So the one thing I am proud of about this day is I did not drill through my entire van, so all is good in the world. Oh my gosh, look how good that looks. Welcome to my humble hearth and home. Everything in my van is going to be Chip and Joanna Gaines' hearth and home. Look at all this stuff I messed up here. I really hope the armoire is going there. I think it is. It's like this tall. Oh, it looks so cute. I'm really proud of myself. I need to do something about this corner, maybe like a hanging plant. I don't know. Maybe I'll cut some shiplap. Try and shove it down in there. I don't know. If I would have done this again, I would have slowly shifted these over as we went, but we're gonna do that from here on out. It looks so cute. So the armoire didn't quite cover it as well as I thought it would. The wall's a little scuffed up right here, but it's fine. If you just cover this all up with enough cute stuff, you don't even know how bad I botched this wall. It looks cute. I'm happy with it. Hashtag rest day. I stole that joke from Nikki on Instagram. Thanks, Nikki. She's like, active rest day, what? I'm doing this full series in real time on my Instagram. Go check it out if you want to see some more ridiculousness on there. I think I'm losing a little juice in my drill. I don't know. I'm gonna try and get the last couple of these on though. Or maybe I'm losing the juice in my arms. One of the two. I'm not sure how much farther to go down because I'm gonna have my platform bed here and then my bed on top, but I have 2 boards left. I think I'm gonna use them and then I have to go buy some more stuff. I think my platform is gonna be like 13, 14 inches. So happy I'm in the Lowe's parking lot right now. I need screws and I need more shiplap. There's only 2 left. That was so lucky. Break to fuel up. Look at this salad. If you guys ever go to Cafe Rio, get a shredded chicken salad, homemade tortillas, really yummy salad dressing. The only thing is they don't chop up their cilantro or their lettuce, so it's like you're taking a giant bite of cilantro. Other than that, it's delicious. And I always get the enchilada sauce on it. So fueling up, then going over to my friend Eric and Corinne's house. They're gonna help me with some stuff, okay? Wow. I did so much on day 2 that it might end up being 3 separate videos. After I got my shiplap in, I went over to my friend Eric and Corinne's and I put the wood on the ceiling. See, I'm gonna just cut you out of this and make it look like I did all the work.
That's fine.
I also installed a little skylight into the ceiling. I like man pose for a second.
Yep, man pose that, Captain Morgan. Oh, twist it to more power. It's got the power.
It's got the juice.
Yep, okay, you're good. Go ahead.
Holy shnikey. We're in control.
Wow.
It's all fine. It's all fine.
She must work out.
So those videos will be coming out in the next day or 2. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, share it with your friends. We'll see you tomorrow.